scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Hey girl, so I know region B shows the highest recombination frequency in May9-mute/PKH2-mute flies because it's the only region with a non-zero value, about 5. Recombination is much lower than in wild type across all regions, at roughly 5% to 15% of WT levels. Crossing over partly lost from the My9 mutation. D. Crossing over ensures proper homolog alignment and segregation in meiosis I. Reduced crossing over in My9 mute flies increases non-disjunction, producing aneuploid gametes. Reducing fertility. Great job working through that. Remember to check each step and watch for sign errors. Practice more with Sovi to master this topic.